on, guys? It's your man Kev. Hey, I got a new part for the car, and we're going to reveal it. Okay. Um, and let me not forget, if you have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So let's reveal what I have right now. Right. Got a wicked build for the Z01. All right. This should be pretty interesting. All right, so what I have here is some custom parts, or the stealth, I guess you could say, nuts and bolts. I don't know if you can see that. I got the black instead of having the silver. So I didn't want the silver to be standing out too much, which I probably could have got away with, but man, what the heck. So I got the ripper tool, and then just lay that right there, lay that right there, lay that there. Okay. All right, I got the cutout for the camera. So this should be pretty cool, pretty cool. Don't quite know what I'm doing here, but you know, we're gonna get through this together. All right, so first things first is a tape. And I thought I had that here. Okay, got my tape here. Oh, excuse me. Okay, let me get my pencil. I probably should go get a Sharpie. All right, so I got my Sharpie. So I figured if I F this up, I'll just go ahead and get the freaking 1LE wing. You know what I mean? That's what I figured. That's what I figured. You know what? I'm gonna put some more tape. Down along here. Here, just in case I drop it again. All right, got it all taped up. Now, I'm not worried. Pretty much centered right there. Right there as far as what I can see. Right. Right there. Are we happy with that? I need a light. Let me go get a light. All right. Got my light. So. This is what we got going on here. We got the freaking thing all lined up, about to drill some holes. Got everything marked. It's sitting pretty good. Okay, and I'm just gonna go straight. That's it. So I should just drill the rest of them. And my tape moved. Yeah. All right, we got some pretty clean holes here. All right, so now we're gonna make them wide enough to get these.
That is what you wanted to do.
She popped. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what you wanted to do. I was hoping we were gonna get that on those other ones, but we didn't.
Yeah.
You see that? It's press fit, man.
Nice. What's going on, guys? I just received my new rivets because I had to do this all over again because I think I was squeezing a little bit too hard. So I'm not going to squeeze that hard. Just going to make it just right. You know, this whole thing was a learning curve for me as far as, you know, learning how to use this gun. And see, I don't even know. Maybe it's like a stopping point, I guess. I guess that's what that is. So I guess this is a stopping guide right here. I guess it stops you from going down so much or something like that. So basically I'm just going off of pressure. So once it gets like really kind of snug, that's when I'll stop. I'll stop pushing. Right now I'm just gonna get that out of the way. Put that in there. And squeeze. All right, it's kind of hard, and I stop. Because I'm like, you know, it shouldn't be that hard to do this, you know what I mean? So, I got that in there. Okay. I got 2 more to do. I bought a 50 pack. So once I get a diffuser, I will use the rivets to put the diffuser on and the side splitters and the front splitter. So. Where we at? Right here. So right here. Get that in there. Squeeze right about there. Because before, man, we were like freaking really squeezing it really, really hard to where you almost heard it pop. And I think the popping noise was pulling the rivet right through the spoiler. I believe that's what that was. Okay. Got one more to go. One more to go. Okay. So also, I'll leave a link in the description. I do not have someone here holding this camera for me. I have this little gadget that just arrived in the mail. And so far, I love it, because if you bend down, you know, it'll follow you. It'll follow you 360. A lot of them don't bend down and stuff like that. So I was like, you know, this right here, this is the one. All right. All right, my back is probably going to be towards. There we go. Here we go. All right. Okay. Got a little pressure. That's it. Take it off. Okay, they're all in there. All right. So, gotta figure out what to do next. Okay. So, I'm not sure if I want to take this all off of here, take the tape all off, and go ahead and line up that first one. What do you guys think? Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna need this, and probably gonna need to take this off too in order to line up the first one like that. So I guess I'll go ahead and take that off. Okay. And then take this off right here. Got a little bit of tape on here. Okay, all the tape, not all the tape. Now, all the tape is off. So it would be nice to have another set of hands, but at the moment, I don't. So I'm gonna lay that right there. I'm going to take this off, all this here protection. Okay, so this go right here, and I'll attempt to put in the first bolt. Probably need a microphone too. So if you guys can suggest any good mics, let me know. for that. Okay, gotcha. All right. I think I should do this one over. I'm not sure if that's one that I did do.